गुड मॉर्निंग, कैसे हैं आप लोग? सो वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. आई होप यू पीपल आर डूइंग वेल. Wish you a very happy and a blessed day. So I hope you have been doing fine, and you must be having some resolutions for the day. So continuing the journey of healthy recipes and healthy meals for the day. So what I had in breakfast today. So what am my meal plan? What are my plans for a healthy breakfast today? I'll just share you whatever I'm having today. So this is detox water, a glass of detox water. Maybe this is the third glass that I'm having right now. So detox water is nothing. You can you can peel cucumbers, 2 to 3 slices. You can soak it in a jar of water. Make sure if you have a clean jar or any clean vessel, you can soak it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Start doing this from the morning itself. So you can just soak it in a glass of jar. Okay, you can peel 2 to 3 cucumbers and you can soak it in a glass of water, and then make sure that you are soaking it for not more than 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so once you are done with it, just start your day with it, and once the water is finished, you can always refill it. Like once you fill it, you will get the taste of cucumber. So either you can keep cucumber or you can keep lemons. So it is up to you that what you like to have. Second is that is included on a daily basis. Second, that I am having it every day, that is a smoothie. As you can see, like I have already made it with bananas, and I have added a little bit of mangoes, since we have mangoes now, and I have added milk, and I have added a little bit of muesli fruit and nuts. You can easily get it in the market, but don't add sugar in it. If you want more sweetness, then you can add jaggery in it. You can add jaggery or you can add dates in it, but don't add sugar. Okay, because sugar intake of sugar in a raw form is not good for your health. So this is a perfect smoothie. So if you want to start your day with a smoothie and with detox water, it's perfectly okay. Since it is almost 9:30 a.m., so it is the perfect time for the breakfast. And now, last but not the least, is one of the most special items that I always keep telling you. You can have it is a bowl of suji upma. So this has been prepared by my mom. So this is something that you can have. It is healthy. So you can dry roast the semolina, yani suji, in in oil or in ghee for at least 3 to 4 minutes, and then you can add veggies of your choice. You can add the rye, which you call, and then you can add onions, and then you can add curry leaves, and then you can add the suji, then you can add even vegetables of your choice, and then you can have it. So this is what is a perfect start of the day's breakfast. So breakfast is something which is very much essential for all of us, and this is including this oats and this detox water and a bowl of upma, suji upma. So as I already mentioned, you can take one meal with oats if you feel hungry. सो ऑप्शंस में जैसे आप उपमा ले सकते हैं, पोहा ले सकते हैं, यू कैन टेक चीला, यू कैन टेक इडली, एंड इवन इफ़ यू आर अ नॉन वेज लवर, you can have vegetable sandwich and omelets. So there are a lot of options. So I'll share the recipe of each and every item one by one in the form of video. So till then, stay tuned and see you soon in my next video.